What's going on, guys? Today's Mining Disrupt 2024 conference is brought to you by our amazing partners Osprey Electronics, AlphaPex Miners, Yeti Audits, as well as Dynex, Alphium, and the Block Flow Alliance. Without these amazing sponsors, we would not be able to get you the latest and greatest coverage from today's show. So let's dive in. What is going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with an update from Jingle Mining in the JASminers. So what is going on, guys? Here today, I see we have a JASminer. This is the P. So this is P for powerful, right? Q for quiet. And they actually have some of these available here. So if you're here, you can actually get these for a really cheap price and not have to pay the export tax coming into the States because it's already here, which is kind of cool. So right here we have the X16 QE, right? This is the QE? This is just the Q? Just the Q. And they do have the QE, which is now available. I think Panda has a QE as well, if I'm not mistaken, we've seen. How much does the Q do?
So Q now it's 1950 megahash.
It was 1950?
So the power consumption is 0.32.
Okay. Yeah, and as you can see, it is right there. So noise 40 decibels. Like, you literally can't even hear this thing, and it is currently running. Of course, you can't run this right here because it's a little bit louder and more power. And this is right over here with the X16P. So you're looking at 5,800 megahashes for 1,900 watts at a 0.32 joules per megahash on the X16P compared to the Q, which is right there above that, which is pretty cool. So this is mainly aimed for home miners. It does have Wi-Fi, as you can see right there on the back. So Wi-Fi capable. You can hardline it in if you so desire, but it does give you the capability to add, just to make it a little bit more flexible and be able to move it around in your house a little bit easier and run this on strictly 110. Makes it really manageable compared to this where you're looking at a 220 setup because you are pulling a little bit more wattage than something of residential capacity. So this is really cool. Appreciate you guys here at JASminer and Jingle Mining to show us this here today. So thank you guys. I appreciate y'all so very much. Look forward to seeing and doing some more stuff with y'all here in the future. Here's the brochure.
I'd love to learn more.
We'll catch y'all on the next one, guys.